This is a video tour of 4635 6th Street Northeast in Columbia Heights. This is where city vibe meets up north practicality, especially in the backyard. It's just 9 blocks away from Northeast Minneapolis, and a perfect setup for added income. The lower level has its own entrance, private entrance, full kitchen and bath. The home has 2 full kitchens, 2 full baths, and 2 large living areas, one up and one down. The backyard is fully privacy fenced. There's a lot of fresh paint, a couple of new windows, which would also include the picture window in the front that was just redone a couple of months ago. You could have some get-togethers in your screen gazebo in the back. It has electricity that runs to it. And if you didn't know, Columbia Heights earned the All-American City Award in 2016, and there's good reasons for that. What I'm going to do now is shut up and play some music so you can enjoy the rest of the tour.